Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set NVIDIA as the default graphics card in Windows. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. All you have to do is to go to your search bar and search for NVIDIA Control Panel. Then click on that. Once you go to your NVIDIA Control Panel, wait for it to load. Then once you're here, all you have to do is to click on the Manage 3D Settings. And now as you can see the global settings, you can set it right here, high performance NVIDIA processor rather than the integrated graphics. So this will make sure that you have selected the NVIDIA one. Then once you click on apply on the bottom right, you can then go to the left side where you can see set physics configuration. And then from here you can just click on it as well and make sure that it is always selected to the NVIDIA GeForce that you have. And so this will always select your NVIDIA graphics card as the default. Once you also click apply changes, it will change it right here. Then you're going to exit out. Now from here you can go to settings. Once you go to settings, click on the system. Then from here, click on display. Once you go to display, you can see right here, graphic settings. Then in the graphic settings, you can go to any game you have, for example, let's say Conquer. And then you can click on options. As you can see, once it's set to high performance, it's always on the graphics card. But if you set it to power saving, then it will go to the integrated graphics to save power. So just make sure that it's always set on high performance for the apps that you want it to be on like that. The final method is that you can search to device manager. Then in the device manager, you can see all your devices right here. And so if you go to the graphics card, which is going to be under the name display adapters, then you can see you can simply just disable the other graphics card, which is the integrated one, so that it always runs on the NVIDIA as the default. So you can just right click on it and then click on disable device, and that should be all good. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.